So this TikTok ad account is suspended, as you can see here. And if you check, the data was on the 1st of April 2026. Okay. So what we did first was to send in an appeal, but then they didn't approve the appeal. They said the issue that caused the suspension is still there. All right. So the next thing was to try deleting the video or even the ad. So I highlighted the ad, this one, this one too, two of them. Okay. And I went into delete, but then it wouldn't go. Can you see? They don't allow you to even edit anything or delete anything. Okay, so at this point we are stuck as to what to do next. Okay, so what I now figured out was to see another way to remove the videos. If you notice here now, let me return here, you can't see any video showing here, unlike this ones. Okay, so how did I remove this video? So what I did was to go to the TikTok account connected to this very ads manager account. So I had to remove all access to the business center and the ads manager. The moment I did, the whole video were removed. Okay, so that's why here now you can see the videos again. I'll show you how to remove that right from your TikTok account on the app. So after I did, I had to return here. Okay, and then I send them an appeal. Okay, so if I click here now, you see the new appeal I sent, and of course this is the date I sent in this appeal. This is 9th of May 2026. So I sent this appeal. Okay, so here I said I've removed the TikTok account and associated videos that caused the ad account suspension. I will not use the video for ad again or any other video that violates your ad policy. Kindly remove the suspension on my ad account. Thank you. Then I had to do a screenshot of this. I came here, clicked on my edits. Okay, I want to show you the screenshot I added to that appeal that I just sent. Okay, so this will pop up. Just delete it or close it again. And so I did a screenshot of this, right? That's what I attached as a screenshot. Okay, now how I pasted this here was, or how I came to this interface was, after I have removed the videos, right? I closed down this. I had to click on fix it. Okay, so once you click on fix it, it will bring you to this interface. Okay, let me use, there's another account I want to also work on. So let me minimize this one. Now I've also removed the ad account connected. So once I click here now, it will bring us to that interface where we have to appeal. Okay, so I want to appeal this one too. So can you see it here now? So the next thing to do is to click on submit appeal, and I have to select this one. I have corrected the issue flagged and request another review. So I'll tick this one, and then I think I've copied this thing. Okay, I've pasted it again. Okay, so now I think I need to go screenshot this one too, so that I can add the screenshots. So it's close this, it might pop up again, you close it again. Okay, this one just came up once. Okay, so I do a screenshot. Okay, Windows and then screenshot, then I'll return here and I want to upload it. Of course, here in the upload, you can upload JPEG, PNG, or PDF. Okay, but it shouldn't exceed 5 MB. So I've uploaded it. Can you see it here now? Then I'll submit. Okay, so submitted. So we'll now wait for their response. Okay, and hopefully they will then reopen your account. All right, so that's how to recover an ad account that's been suspended by TikTok, that you've tried everything and it didn't work out. Okay, but remember that this is within 180 days. Can you see here? It's within 180 days. All right, and I'll also advise, if there's no money in that account, you may not bother this much. Okay, but one of the reasons I'm doing this for these two accounts is that there's money in this account and we want to recover it. Okay, so I wasn't showing my face earlier, but you can see my face now. Yeah, because yesterday I was in a place where I couldn't capture my background. All right, so This is today. That's about 24 hours after we applied or appealed the suspension again, right? And I just got a notification on my email that the ad account suspension has been lifted. Okay, so I'm doing this video for us to see it together. All right, so this is the ad account, the first one that we did. And so I'm going to refresh it now. Let's see whether it is true. Okay, so I'm refreshing it now. Let's see what it shows. All right, so as you can see here now, everything is good. There's no longer suspension notice here. All right, so we can go ahead to continue using this ad account. So go through the process like I explained from the beginning to the end of it, and let me know whether your ad account is recovered. Okay, like I told you, there is money in this account. Let me check the balance from payment. You see that there's money in the account. Yeah, this amount here is not much, but at least I can use it to run some ad for a while, right? And possibly make sales that will cover this amount here. Okay, so that's the primary reason I went for this account. Otherwise, I would have moved on with other accounts. Okay, but there's something I want to show you apart from all I've explained earlier. Yeah, let me show you. It's how not to go about your appeal, right? So this is TikTok appeal rules for advertisers. Okay, now you read here, I've told you this one already, that it takes within 180 days. So after 180 days, you cannot appeal again. Okay, and then you have to send in one appeal at a time, right? Don't bombard them with appeals. These are rules if your appeal is to be considered. Okay, then they say relevant information. So you have got to provide every relevant information to this particular ad account, right, as required. Maybe at some point you have got to provide, like I showed you in that earlier time where I was uploading things. I think I uploaded a screenshot to show that I've removed the video, all right, and other things that you might need to provide, including explanation of what probably happened, right? So that's it. Then here is very, very important because in fact I was guilty at some point on this part, because at a point I was so angry that I was trying to abuse them. So here they said, please be respectful when submitting your appeal. If an appeal contains abusive or inappropriate language, we may reject it. Okay, so very, very important. Then, of course, this other account, the other account I was dealing with, I think I used some very, very strong language, right, that I wasn't supposed to use. So I pray that they overlook that. But that's why I'm sharing this with you so you don't make my mistake. Okay, then they talked about intellectual property, then suspension of right. Now the major thing I wanted to show you is this particular one, because I've shown you the one of 180 days, but this one, many are guilty here. Okay, so be polite. That's what they are trying to say. Okay, so go through that and let me know what happens. Drop your update in the comment section. I would really appreciate to know if they responded to your appeal request. Okay, don't forget, this is profit leverage ads, where we share everything about social media ad, especially having to do with TikTok, Snapchat, and of course we also look at other areas of profitability online. All right, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, do hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and then you will be able to get notified the moment I upload the next interesting video. Right, if you've not gotten our training, whether TikTok ads made easy or Snapchat ads made easy, you see links in the description of the video where you can select the one you want. But if you get my TikTok ad training today, you also get access to my Snapchat ads made easy as a bonus. Also, you'll be getting access to my new training on how to verify your TikTok accounts, right? You want to switch from personal to business. Currently, they will require you to verify your account before you can do that switch, right? I've added that as a bonus. Just check the first link in the description of this video so you can have access to that TikTok training and then enjoy all these bonuses. The bonuses will not last. I think after 1 week I'll withdraw the bonuses. Okay, but go now and check if you can still get the bonus. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe now. If you need the training, go ahead and get into the training. I will see you in the next video.